Welcome to UVR Mathematics. I am UVR as a math teacher. Today we will learn about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First of all, we know the meaning of complementary angles. మనం మొదట కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసుకుందాం. The sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Then the angles are complementary. రెండు కోణాల మొత్తము 90 డిగ్రీలు అయినట్లయితే ఆ కోణాలను పూరక కోణాలు అంటారు. కన్సిడర్ right angle triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle ABC. The right angle is at B. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And the sum of the angle A and angle C is equal to 90 degrees. B యొక్క కోణము 90 డిగ్రీలు అయితే యాంగిల్ ఏ మరియు యాంగిల్ సిల మొత్తము 90 డిగ్రీలు అవుతుంది. సో హియర్ ఏ అండ్ సి ఆర్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్. ఇక్కడ ఏ మరియు సిలు పూరక కోణాలు అవుతాయి. So we know the theta at A. మనం ఏ వద్ద theta కానీ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే the definition of trigonometric ratios. ఇప్పుడు మనం త్రికోణమితి నిష్పత్తులు ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయో చూద్దాం. Sin means SOH, cos means CAH, and tan means TOA. So this is the definition of sin, this is the cos, this is the tan. Already we learned. So here we define sin A or sin theta. Here sin definition is the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్కి హైపోటెనస్కి గల రేషియోని మనం సైన్గా తీసుకుంటాం. హియర్ సైన్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బీసీ బై ఏసీ. దెన్ కాస్ థీటా. కాస్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఈజ్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ ఎడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ అండ్ హైపోటెనస్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఏబీ బై ఏసీ. Next, the definition of tan is tan theta is equal to the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. Sorry, opposite side and adjacent side, that is BC by AB. And the definition of cot is cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan AB by BC. And sec theta is, or secant theta is the reciprocal of cos AC by AB. Finally, cosec theta, CSC theta is equal to AC by BC. Definition of cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, that is AC by BC. So we take an angle at C. So angle C is 90 minus theta. ఇక్కడ మనం C వద్ద కోణం 90 minus theta అవుతుంది. So from the definition of sin C is equal to or sin 90 minus theta. that is equal to, the definition of sine is opposite side and hypotenuse. Here opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC. Here AB by AC is equal to cos theta. So this is equal to cos theta. From this, దీని నుండి we know sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is the one identity. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Second one is cos C. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to, the definition of cos is the ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse. So here this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. Here BC by AC is equal to sin theta. BC by AC is equal to sin theta. So from this we know cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Next, the definition of tan. Tan C or tan 90 minus theta. So the definition of tan is the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side. Here it is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC. So here AB by BC is equal to cot theta, this is equal to cot theta. So from this, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So next, cot C or cot 90 minus theta. So the definition of cot is the reciprocal of tan, that is equal to BC by AB. So here BC by AB is equal to tan theta. So BC by AB is equal to tan theta. So this is equal to tan theta. From above, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Next one, secant C or secant 90 minus theta. So the definition of secant is the ratio of hypotenuse and adjacent side. Here hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is BC. So here AC by BC is equal to cosecant theta, CSC theta. From above we know secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Next, cosec C or cosec 90 minus theta. So the definition of cosec is the ratio of hypotenuse and opposite side. Here hypotenuse is AC, the opposite side is AB. So cosec 90 minus theta is equal to AC by AB. Here AC by AB is equal to secant theta, that is equal to secant theta. So from this, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So finally we have sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. It is the very important in the complementary angles. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. In the next video, we will do the sums on complementary angles. మనం నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్ మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయో చూద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.